A case that's consumed this country is now presented with an opportunity. How can individuals learn from the past in hopes to change the future?
What's going on? How come you're crying?
A month before Gabby Petito went missing, she and her boyfriend Ryan Laundrie were involved in a domestic disturbance in Moab, Utah.
We're driving by and I'd like to report a domestic dispute.
Police just released a 911 call from that day that indicated Laundrie as the one who was causing harm.
We drove by and the gentleman was slapping the girl.
But the body camera paints Petito as the aggressor. And that's how police treated it.
If police are getting called, if we're having those conversations, then yeah, that is definitely what I would consider a red flag.
Natasha Adler is a domestic violence advocate at Safe House Denver. While she can't speak on any specific case, including Petito's, she can talk about how a perception of abuse can have a major impact.
There are a lot of instances where violence will be used by someone who isn't the primary aggressor. So, for example, if maybe abuser will block survivor into a room and survivor slaps him or her to get out of the room. That can be mutual violence. However, there usually is a primary aggressor. It just may not always be clear, and that's where it can get really tricky, when it comes to arrests and just perception of what's actually going on in that relationship.
While this case may have started a state away, domestic violence resources couldn't be closer.
I mean, maybe somebody working the crisis line for a few hours could refer out to 20 different agencies.
Denver Safe House is just one of many organizations making sure with each call for help, there's an answer. Jaleesa Arizari, 9 News.